Tired of travel budget headaches? Do you ever get that sinking feeling after a trip when you check your bank statement and see all those hidden fees and terrible exchange rates? It's a universal pain point for travelers. Your hard-earned money disappearing into transaction fees and currency markups you didn't even know existed. But what if I told you there was a way to completely bypass this? Imagine spending money on holiday without a single worry about foreign transaction fees. No more mental maths, no more shock at the end of the month. That's the core promise of Monzo's travel features. They've designed a bank account specifically for the modern traveler, making spending abroad as simple and transparent as it is at home. Monzo uses the MasterCard exchange rate with no sneaky added fees. This isn't just a gimmick, it's a game changer. When you pay for that gelato in Rome or that souvenir in Tokyo, Monzo gives you the real, fair exchange rate, not some marked-up version. They believe you should keep more of your money for the things that matter, like experiences, not paying for the privilege of spending. And the best part? It's all in the app. Instant notifications ping you with the exact cost in both local currency and your home currency, so you know precisely what you've spent in real time. This level of transparency helps you budget on the go and stay in control of your finances, no matter where in the world you are. You can even use their budgeting tools to set aside specific money for your trip, keeping it separate from your regular spending. It's banking that actually works for you. So, ditch the stress of hidden fees and start enjoying your travels. Monzo is a modern solution to a classic problem, giving you the freedom to spend with confidence. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.